Good afternoon. My name is Rafał Wajda. I'll be co-hosting this webinar with Dr. Marek Skowronek.
Good afternoon.
I'll tell you very briefly at the beginning about our company that organizes this webinar, and after that, Marek Skowronek will tell you about the main topic of today's webinar, which are proposed changes to the ICH Q1 guidelines on stability testing. I turn my camera off so that you can focus on the content, on what we are going to tell you about and show you. Here you can see a short agenda of this webinar. At the beginning, I'll very briefly tell you about our company, what we do, what our business is, how we can support you. Then we'll move to the main topic, to the information about the changes that are proposed to the ICH Q1 guidelines on stability testing. After that, Dr. Skowronek will present you the newest edition of our PS product stability module, software that will help you with your stability studies. At the end, we have a scheduled Q&A session, so if you have any questions, remarks, anything that comes to your mind that you would like to share with us, or we would like to get some comments on, just write on via chat, and we'll do our best to answer these questions at the end of this webinar. First, very briefly about our company. Statsoft is a data analysis company. In very short, I guess I can put it this way. We help pharma and other companies to get as much information, useful knowledge from their data that can be used to achieve success, no matter what this success is, depending on how we define it. We provide software from, let's say, quite small programs, modules that will generate appropriate reports that comply with, for example, relevant guidelines, up to big systems, database-centered systems that will automate the process of generating reports and will keep any functionality that is needed, that is desired, under control. We also can help you with analysis of your data, tell you how you can analyze it, what you can gain from it, anything that comes to your mind. We can tell you what you can do with your data. We also provide such services, trainings, workshops, etc. We have 30 years of experience, and as I said before, we are data analysis experts. And no matter how you call it, statistics, SPC, AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc., it is not relevant, because it is our job to tell you in a given situation which techniques will be the most relevant, the most effective, and we can choose appropriate from what is available at the market. We operate, support any industry. However, pharma industry has been our priority for many years now. Our customers are both small companies and also the biggest ones on the market, so we can adjust what is needed, no matter what the business of a company or size is. We have off-the-shelf ready modules, software that are dedicated for various areas. In case of pharmaceutical companies that needs to get some special reports, they are compliant with appropriate good practices. It usually comes with a central database that lets the users input their data and use this data for reports easily. And we also have a module that I actually already mentioned, the PS product stability, that has just been released a new edition of. And this software, this PS product stability module, you will have a chance to see in the during this webinar later. We also have more advanced systems that are also database centered, and in this case you have much more functionality. You get online reports, online reports. You can view via web browser that will show you the current state of crucial parameters. You can define tasks that will run automatically. There are alerts that are generated in case anything, for example, some out of trend case happens, etc., etc. So if you need a much bigger system, we also here to support you. That's it from me, and now I will give the screen to Dr. Marek Skowronek. Thank you.
Good afternoon. In the second part of the webinar, I will discuss statistical methods that can be used to evaluate stability studies according to the draft version of ICH Q1 published on April 11. The document is a consolidated version that is intended to replace the ICH Q1 from A to F and ICH Q5C, and includes additional recommendation on the principles for conducting stability studies, including statistical evaluation of stability data. The document is currently in consultation till the end of July. This webinar covers statistical methods that can be used to evaluate individual batch and multiple batches based on the covariance analysis and fixed effect model. The second webinar will focus on statistical methods that can be used to evaluate the stability of multiple batches and multifactors, as well as to evaluate the stability of multiple batches based on the mixed effect model. The basic requirements for statistical evaluation are described in Chapter 13 and Annex 2. According to the recommendations, each primary batch stored under the long-term conditions may be evaluated individually to establish the retest period or shelf life.